The last year has been a blur. It took 3 years to find a building. I think we looked at every building in the Milwaukee area, and we landed on the Fox Bay Theater. Fox Bay Theater was built in 1951 as an old movie theater. When we got it, I mean, it was terrible in here. It was gross, disgusting. So we got to work.
I was looking at it, and it was a giant gray hole. There were a bunch of people with hard hats. I had to put a hard hat on top of my beanie. It was uncomfortable.
The vision was to create a space where people would gather for concerts, for food. And the idea was to bring all this together, not only for what I want to do personally, but also give back to the community. We just needed someone to bring that vision to life.
So yeah, this is kind of the brains of everything. It's where all your cables come in and out. The goal for Argo and their AVL systems was to create a comprehensive audio, video, and lighting system for 3 spaces in the building. There was going to be a main concert venue, a bar, restaurant / lounge area, and also a banquet hall to be used for rental events, wedding receptions, and things like that.
The Sweetwater team got back to me like right away, and just from start to finish, like not only kind of coached me through what would work in this room, but also like, hey, this is what you can actually accomplish.
My favorite thing about it is I could build my scene really, really fast. Yeah. It's just really versatile and actually simple to use now. I just want this space to be as adaptable as possible for whatever artist, whatever tour, whatever person comes in here. This stuff is hard enough, so my priority is to make sure that people come in, they're comfortable, and the space isn't working against them, it's working with them. A lot of people have already complimented the sound of these and been like, this is all you have?
Yeah.
And bands will walk up and they're just like, whoa, okay, cool.
This was something that we spec'd equipment that wasn't just entry level. We wanted to make a statement and make this be a venue that was very well outfitted with audio, video, and lighting technology and be a statement around the Milwaukee area.
What was the initial reaction of the whole system coming together? I would say like, holy.
Actually hearing a band play on the stage with a crowd, it was one of the happiest moments I ever had in my career, in my life, just because we were actually doing it. We're not just planning anymore.
Just the power and the acoustic treatment in the room, Sweetwater knocked out of the park.